November 4, 2024 at the Barangay Session Hall of Barangay Negustan. Present, Honorable John Merco Ardalisay, Punong Barangay and Presiding Officer. Barangay Kagawad, Honorable Maria Imelda Remedios Panjola Cruz, Honorable Lucy Guard G. Subron, Honorable Cynthia L. Manican, Honorable Alex S. Mondoy, Honorable Marlon M. Bagyola, Honorable Romeo B. Santo, Honorable Alejo J. Sargli, and SK Chairman Honorable Ron A. Hadja, Barangay Treasurer Mrs. Lourdes C. Saroy, and yours truly, Edward Kinikini as Barangay Secretary. Resolution number 054 series of 2024. A resolution expressing our deepest condolences to the family and friends of the late Constantino Taicostan and Hadja, former Barangay Kagawad from 1972 to 1988, and again from 2007 to 2010. And then, as Punong Barangay from 1989 to 2006 of